And today I'm going to be making slime. I have this clear slime. It's not clear yet because air bubbles, but it's going to be clear. So I'm just gonna put some glue in. Okay, so you can see I'm pouring glue. Activator. I'm pouring in my activator, but this is in a way, so activator. And I'm going to mix this up. So this clear slime is a good clear slime. It's really pokey, stretchy, but it's like wow, it's like stretchy, but when I make it on the ground, it's really like stretchy. It's on the ground. So I'm just going to get to making this what I want to get on. Okay, so I have these glitter glues, and today I'm going to be making gold. Shout out to my brother because I'm making this slime for my brother. Okay, so just mixing and mixing and mixing. Keep mixing. I was about to get the gobbles of glue, but then I thought about it and my nana said get this one. And you're wondering who uses this to activate their slime? I do. Because my nana told me to get it and she said it will work. So I did. And it actually worked for this slime. This slime is really good. Ooh. Ooh. Got the moves. This is good slime. Okay. So this is good slime. I'm just going to set this to the side. And just gonna knead this one. Knead it. And I do have this color, and just comment down below what type of slime you want. I can make you some because I have this big bottle of glue, and I have this big bottle. And I have those, and I have this big bottle, this big thing of an activator. I can't pick it up though. See, these two were like kind of fell, but they weren't that much of fail. Like this one, this one's stretchy, but when you stretch it fast, it just breaks. This one, stretch it, it can stretch actually, but when you stretch, it's just stretchy slow. It's good, but I don't want to get it on my backpack, so I'm going to put it over here so I can make slime with it. And comment down below if you want to see me eating Kinder eggs. You can eat some Kinder eggs for my video. Ooh. Look, here it is. And comment down below if you want me to make a satisfying slime video. I like to make satisfying slime videos, but I never made them before. I'm going to try to make okay. See, look, if you use this one, just fast, it's not gonna work. Neither is this one. Look, this one you stretch fast, it just breaks. All of them do that because they're slimes. They're just slimes and they do that. Here it is. Okay, now I'm gonna color it because coloring is gonna be. I'm not gonna color it, but I'm gonna put some gold in it. So my brother said he wanted gold, so I'm gonna make some gold in it. And shout out to you, brother, if you're watching this video, which you probably are, and you are. Okay, so using all my gold for my brother's slime. Look at this, guys. The gold makes the slime sticky, and that's the good reason, because his was like way too activated. And I was gonna have to give him that, but look at this. It's gold inside. Look, guys, it's gold. If you can't see it, well, maybe if you make a slime with this glue, you're gonna see the gold. Like it's turning orange, kinda, but the glitter is not turning orange. The glitter is not turning orange. It's coloring the slime too. This is so good. It's gonna be sticky. But it's good because my brother I don't know if he really likes sticky slime, but it's gonna have to be sticky. I don't want to overactivate it. Like this one, I overactivated. So that's why I have to stretch it slow. But look at his, I don't have to stretch it slow. You just have to stretch it. And his is really stretchy. So far, I think I need to add a little bit with this glue too. If it starts to melt, I just have to activate it. Because this is glue. This is glue. It's like actual glue. So. Look, guys. Can you guys see it? It's like the washing machine making that noise. I don't know what it does and why it's doing that. My brother is a really nice person, so maybe you should watch his videos on this channel because he is a really nice person. Sometimes if you be mean to him, he can be really mean. I sometimes don't be mean to my brother, but it sometimes be awkward. It's gold, but you guys can't see it. It's gold, but it's just it doesn't look like it's gold, but it is. It like has gold glitter. If you can't see, it like has gold glitter, and it's coloring the slime. It's coloring the slime a peach color, kinda like coloring the slime peach, but it has gold glitter. I'm gonna add this. This is my last time. If you can't see the gold glitter, I'm sorry. If you can't see the gold glitter, it's just that it's like way too dark to see. If you don't see it, way too dark. So a lot of work. Ryan takes. This one was pink. I have like these bottles of glue. I have these, and I have this one. So comment down below which one you want, which glue you want, and then I'll show you all my glitters. Okay, if you commented, thanks. Okay, so now for my glitter, I don't have any more code, but these are my glitters. This is like a really sparkly glitter, like this one. It's kind of like this. Like this one has. Oh no. It has this kind. Yeah, it's the same glitter. It's just that it's better. Oh no, Ryan's slime. That stuck to my shirt, but he still has a lot. Like a lot of slime. Like I have white glue. I may just do white glue because I haven't did white glue yet. Woo! Really stretchy. Guys, so I'm still stretching it and I'm all the way back here. Woo! Oh my. His slime. His slime. I don't know how I control this, but no. Okay, so guys, it's like really like on the floor, so I have to pick it up. I'm picking it up right now. Ooh. See, I don't like glue slime, but this is my brother's, so comment down below if you like it. And I just covered everything. And brother, comment down below if you just want anything else in your slime. Well, I don't have anything else put in it, but I do. Tell me if you like want more after it or anything else, or more gold, because I can add more gold. It's going to be hard to add more gold. Yeah, the gold is going away. No, it's not. I think I need to add more gold because I don't think he'll like it. So guys, I'm just adding more gold. Ooh, hard to get the gold. It's tough to get those ones out. Like, can y'all see that? Like, this is, and it's scented. I put a scent in it, but you can't know. I can't tell you because my brother, it's a secret scent. I've been had the scent. Like so good. Like crunchy. It's better than, it must be better than this one. But this one is a unicorn slime, so. And Ryan, just comment if you want any more slimes. I can make you some. Or just call me or text me if you want any more slimes. Because I have a peach color and it's so cute. Peach looks like gold. Ooh. Try this. And it is. Ooh, really nice, Ryan. Like you have the nicest slime I have. Like Ryan, you my big brother, so I give you a lot of stuff. I will give you a lot of stuff. Just comment if you want more slimes or text me or call me. Okay. And I'm thankful because my brother told me to make this video. And he said I make my slime into it, and I'm going to just make it up. I'm just gonna add a little extra in it so it can be really good. And it smells so good. It smells so good. It got caught in my nose. It got caught on top of my nose. It like smells. I can't tell y'all the scent. I'm just so mad I get that. It's scented, so secretly scented. I can't tell you though. I know what it's scented like. Oh my gosh. I just want to tell you. I just want to tell him that I'm going to let him guess and then let's tell you. And then I'm going to try to guess and then I'm going to tell him. Okay? So So, Ryan, try to guess what it is. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna show you guys if you. I think y'all can see it. I think y'all can see it now. I don't know why I made this very sticky. Like this very sticky. But you guys, look at this. You don't see that glitter? That's so nice glitter. His is like a butter slime, but not. It's really stretchy. Oh gosh. Now my hands are sticky and I cannot see anything. So I'm just going to add a little dot of more activator. It's way too sticky. Okay, I'm going to let y'all hear how it sounds because it sounds really good. But I'm not going to add any more activator unless I keep adding more. Yes. It's like really sticky. Hallelujah. No. I'm picking that right back up. This is clear. So when it gets cleared up, it's like gonna get cleared in 3 days. So I won't see him in like, I don't know how many more days. But I want to say what's up at me. Because I miss him. And Ryan, just to let you know, D3 and them, they trying to steal your basketballs. They're just trying to take your stuff. That's why. Okay, so this is getting really good, and I love it. And I actually do love it. It's like it's a peachy color, but it's a good color at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna add activator. No, it's getting too sticky. Oh my gosh, I just want to tell you. I want to give you a hint, but no. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my family. My family, I have like lots of brothers. I have lots of brothers. I have a lot on my dad's side, but here I have my stepbrothers. I have stepbrothers and I have my real brother, but my brothers are really not. One of them is really nice, and that's my brother that wants this one that I'm giving to him. And that's the one I mostly like because it's my son. He buys me stuff. He gives me stuff, so that's why I'm making him the slime. He already knows I'm making him slime, but he don't know like the scent or nothing. I haven't told him the scent because I don't want him to know the scent. See, like I'm adding this color. It looks like gold on the camera, but it's not gold. It's not gold, but when you put it in the slime, it looks like gold. And I see it. I see it in the slime. It looks like golden flakes. Just golden flakes crunched up. Oh yeah. He has a big slime. Just to tell you that, you guys, that he has a really big slime. And I am selling slime, so just let you know that. I'm gonna be selling slimes. Woo! Did you guys see me through the hole? Look. Okay, activator. Gotta activate this. Just a little. Now I have to knead it because it has extra glitter in it. It's really pretty. It's a peach. It's a peach. It's like the color is peach, but then the glitter is gold. So I'm going to tell you a little about my family. I didn't tell you. I have a lot of brothers, and one brother is nice, and I have my mom. She's very nice to me. She lets me make slime. And we're going to be looking for, make sure you're looking forward to the video I'm going to make with my mom. Me and my mom are going to be making slime. Me and mommy are going to be making slime. So, good. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm just going to end this video. So, wait. While I'm ending this video, I'm going to make a swirl. This slime. Okay, bye, Ryan. I hope you like your slime.